We all know the ocean is deep. But how deep, really? If you flattened every mountain on Earth and dumped the land into the ocean's deepest parts, you'd still be left with a planet covered by water, 2 miles deep. And that's just the beginning. Let's dive down, layer by layer, and see how far this really goes. At just 40 meters, you've hit the max depth for recreational scuba diving. Go a bit further, and at 93 meters, you'll reach the wreck of the Lusitania, still shallower than the length of the ship itself. At 100 meters, diving becomes dangerous. Yet freediver Herbert Nitsch once reached 214 meters on a single breath. At 332 meters, the world record for scuba diving was set. That's deeper than the Empire State Building is tall. Drop to 500 meters, and you're in the realm of blue whales, Earth's largest animals, and the max depth for US nuclear submarines. At 1,000 meters, sunlight vanishes. Below this point, you're in permanent darkness, like standing on the surface of Venus. At 2,000 meters, you meet creatures like the black dragonfish, so black it absorbs nearly all light. At 2,250 meters, sperm whales battle colossal squids, beasts with eyes the size of dinner plates and scars to prove it. 3,800 meters down, you'll find the Titanic. At 4,000 meters, the abyssal zone begins, home to creatures like viperfish and anglerfish, floating in darkness under 11,000 psi of pressure. That's like balancing an elephant on a postage stamp. At 6,000 meters, you enter the Hadal zone, named after Hades. At this depth, the pressure is 1,100 times greater than at the surface. Most submarines would be crushed instantly. At 8,848 meters, you're as deep as Mount Everest is tall. And at 10,898 meters, filmmaker James Cameron made history, diving solo into the deep-sea Challenger. 10,916 meters by explorers Don Walsh and Jacques Picard in 1960. They reached the bottom of the known ocean, Challenger Deep, near Guam. That's farther down than planes fly up. And yet, this still isn't the full story. The ocean floor is 95% unmapped. So how deep is the ocean? Deeper than our imagination.